Sabi dito, the monster you saw at the end of your relationship, that was really them. That's who they truly are from the beginning. So stop validating your heartbreak by replaying the good moments. Truth showed up when everything fell apart, when things don't go their way. Now, let me give a different perspective. Life is not just fun. Okay? Kasama na yan yung hinagpis at other emotions that you are currently experiencing right now. Hindi lang siya puro saya. Now, the moments or the fun moments na naramdaman mo sa kanya, that's also part of them. Do not deny them the good things that they have given just because they turned out to be bad at the end of your relationship. You don't go into social media posting all the bad things that they've done in your relationship, but you opt out yung magaganda na naibigay nila sa inyo. That's going to be just biased towards your point of view, where in fact, it goes both ways. Now, in a long-term relationship, you need to learn how to deal with the monstrous side of the person that you are going to be with. Because again, katulad nga nung sinabi ko kanina, hindi naman parating masaya yung mga bagay-bagay. There will be challenges that both of you are going to go together, and what or how you handle it will be the one that is going to determine or define the very foundation of what you two are. The monster that they've become is also the person trying to deal alone yung mga pinagdadaanan ninyong dalawa or nung tao sa buhay niya. Ngayon, as your partner, it is also your job to understand kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa kanila at bakit sila umaakto na parang isang halimaw. Hindi yung nung naging halimaw siya, iiwan nyo na siya kagad. No. Try to reach out. Try to extend help. Try to understand what they are going through. And you can only understand them by actually knowing what is happening to them, knowing the truth. And please, if that happens, do not punish them for being truthful or being honest with you. Dahil pag ginamit nyo yung kahinaan nila at yung katotohanan laban sa kanila, expect this. You are not going to get that anymore from them. They are going to be in a mask all throughout till the end of your relationship. And no problem will be solved. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we can solve together your goals. Have a good day.